kular hakan ikasni. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hok do.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda be ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kod bat ki e-materials kindon ru ki mock test ban penkrai api na kabenda ka neat.
Kameklia Strength and Aesthetic Association Kalajiet Yau Atlanta di Shira ban Mihkhmat ikijla Meklia hakarensan ya ko penidoksa belatip kumka amateur Olympia Phase 1 ka ban salong hanong ba Delhi haka khat atrik ujileu arja pundriu uba bahalang khongwer hau kurwa ula pentep ba ki bajab hakarensan ya ko amateur Olympia ken syajiet ban dajekun syaka International Federation of Bodybuilding and Fitness Prokan ula pentep ru ban kampensuk ya kinong kilan met nakajela Meklia ka association kan sepelong biang ya ke NPC Meklia mentau senam arja pundriu shlong.
Kubishmon boro ngari halang kungwir President joka Meghalaya Strength and Aesthetic Association MSWA pat ngai don bor nong i treasurer joka MSWA pat ngidon hani way athlete juni wan represent ya ka Meghalaya shaka amateur Olympia te tang kendiat mencuong ba la Jun atrik Jun Indon ya ka amateur Olympia kapadi kabenlok po Delhi dengan layo benjit yo Atlanta di Shira ubla job hagi niki penai bladat layo gold medal po Uttarakhand layo gold medal po Assam NPC Assam kementan ni yo Phah Atlanta di Shira benit represent ya ka amateur Olympia kabenlok atrik Jun po Delhi kapadi ka bodybuilding platform ka bahetam ban yo ya ka qualify ya ka IFBB Pro Card. MSWA kan organize saya ke NPC Meghalaya 2026 ya ka date in selaban ai khamadin kani NPC Meghalaya kan lomba nilak screen bagi bodybuilding athletes menilak Phah syaki amateur Olympia benlok po Mumbai. Tengi ai kuble yo Atlanta di Shira ni ai kickbox Brian ulak melonrak medal dia ke state.
Hello guys, this is Atlanta di Shira from Hills, Meghalaya, and recently I've achieved gold and silver medal in bodybuilding classic physique in NPC Uttarakhand and gold and silver in bodybuilding classic physique in this NPC Assam also. And recently I'm going for Shira Classic, which is the biggest bodybuilding show in India. So I just want to thank MSAA and NPC Meghalaya for sponsoring me, for going and coming, and for taking initiative to for the athletes, for helping us out. Thank you so much, and I've been working really hard for this and hoping for the best. Thank you.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.